Hi, my name is Brandon, and today you're watching my YouTube show. It's called Trouble with Brandon. And today I'm gonna perform 4 magic tricks. Hope you like it. So today I'll show you my first trick. It's called the haunted deck. For example, let's choose one card. For example, this one. Look closely. 5 of spades, right? It will automatically come out of the deck. So yung trick ko ngayon ay kwento. It's called the Magician's Wave. So sabi ng gambler sa magician, pustahan tayo ng 1 million. Kung makakat ka ng 4 na 4 na card, bibigyan ka ng 1 million. Sabi ng magician, sige. So, kinat niya. First cut. Then, yung first card na lumabas, king. Yan, nilagay niya siya yung king. Tapos, kinat niya ulit. For the second time. Tapos, yung lumabas, king na naman. Nilagay niya dyan. Tapos, for the third time, kinat niya ulit. Kinat niya. Tapos, yung lumabas, yan, kinakabahan niya yung gambler. Yan, king. Tapos, last cut. Ito na. Kinakabahan na talaga siya. Yung lumabas, ace. Tataka yung gambler. Tuwan-tuwa siya na nagkamali yung magician. Pero, with 1 wave, lahat ng king, naging ace. So today, this magic's called the heist. Meron 4 na magkakapatid. Yan, sila Jack. 4 na Jack na magkakapatid. Meron silang date. Kaso wala silang pang-date. So magnanakaw sila ng bank. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan. Isa-isa sila papasok sa bank. Yan, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yung isa, dito siya sa pinakailalim. Siya yung taga-lookout sa police. Ito, dito siya sa gitna. Siya yung taga-hack ng bag. Itong isa, siya yung taga-hack ng vault. Tapos ito, siya yung nasa helicopter lang. Yan, chill lang siya dyan. So yun yung papasok silang lahat. Diba? Papasok sila sa loob. Tapos after nun, lahat sila dito sa taas. Pili kayo ng isang card. Isa pa. Okay. Ito ba yung card niyo? Hindi? Or ito? Hey guys, thank you for watching my show. I will be preparing more tricks for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.